Hello everyone. So here we are going to discuss about the scope and development of pharmacognosy. So first of all, the scope of pharmacognosy. So pharmacognosy is an important bridge between the pharmaceutical and the basic sciences. Pharmaceutical sciences including all the subjects like your pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutics, because all are based on the herbal products, they all deal with these. And the basic sciences, including your sciences like botany, zoology, etc. And it is also a vital link between Ayurvedic and the allopathic systems of medicine. So, to study pharmacognosy, we require the knowledge of a number of subjects. For example, botany and zoology, ethnobotany, marine biology, microbiology, herbal medicine, phytochemistry and chemistry, pharmacology, pharmaceutics, and biochemistry. So, now let us see what are the various areas in which a pharmacognosist can opt for career. So first of all, pharmacognosist can serve in various aspects like academics, teaching in colleges, universities, museums, and botanical gardens. Then the pharmacognosist can also start his career in any of the private industry like pharmaceutical companies, the consumer product testing laboratories, the private commercial testing laboratories, herbal product industries, the cosmetic and perfume industries. Then may also find the placement in some of the government federal agencies like the DEA, the Drug Enforcement Agency, FDA, Food and Drug Administration, Department of Agriculture, then medicinal plant research laboratories, forensic laboratories, and the environmental laboratories. Now, let us have a look at the development of pharmacognosy. So, the development of this subject known as pharmacognosy took place during the period 1934 to 1960 by simultaneous application of disciplines like organic chemistry, biochemistry, biosynthesis, pharmacology, and modern methods and techniques of analytical chemistry, including paper, thin, layer, and gas chromatography and the spectrophotometry. So, the development of pharmacognosy was mainly due to the following four events. First of all, the isolation of penicillin, then isolation of rizapine, isolation of vinca alkaloids from vinca rosea, and then the isolation of steroid hormones. So, some of the important aspects of natural products that led to the development of drugs and pharmaceuticals are as follows. First of all, the isolation of phytochemicals, then the structure activity relationship, that how the structure of a drug affects the pharmacological action of that drug, then drugs obtained by partial synthesis of the natural products, then natural products as the models for synthesis of new drugs, then drugs of direct therapeutic uses, means that drug were directly as such used for the various medicinal purposes. Then the biosynthetic pathways were also studied. Biosynthetic pathways were explored, that how these particular phytoconstituents are biosynthesized in the plants. Then the technical products were studied, the pharmaceutical aids, and some of the novel medicines were also discovered from the plants. So, with the increasing range of herbal products, the regulatory requirements for herbals are also being introduced by many countries in order to control the quality of these products. Yes, this is also very important, because we are obtaining these drugs from the natural sources. So it becomes very essential to have a uniformity in all the formulation or the dosage forms that we are preparing, and to control the quality of these products. Monographs are now available giving description. So these monographs describe the complete drug, give their test for identity and purity, and assays of the active constituents. For example, the AHP monograph, WHO monograph, etc. So why these monographs have been developed? These have been developed to set the standards for quality, safety, and efficacy, in order that many traditional herbs meet the legal requirements. And so finally, whatever formulation we are preparing, they should be safe, they should not be toxic. Then there are now many publications also which cover the regional areas of the globe. For example, chemical abstracts, biological abstracts, phytotherapy research, planta medica, phytochemistry, and journal of natural products. Then apart from the journals, there are various databases also which cover the pharmacognostic information about the drugs in complete detail. For example, we have various databases such as Medline, Embase, and Naprolet. So that's all with development and scope of pharmacognosy. Thank you.